friends, and today we are going to learn about ears. So without much ado, let's get started. I'll draw some cartoon face. I have drawn three characters where I'll place my ears. Ears are very simple to place on the character. It doesn't play that much important role, but it depends where some character like Bugs Bunny or some animal character is there. So it plays an important role because it will give the character an identification. Here it's not that much important. If I'll place it like this, here I will place like this. See, it's not that much important, but it can change the character. So whenever I used to draw a character, I should keep in mind that is there any important identification related to ears is there or not. If not, then you can make it simple. If you want to make it a little different from other character, then also you can change the ears. You can make the ears larger and in different shape if you want to. Like basically I use this, which is very simple. You can make further details, like you can make the inner lines like this, or simple curve. Here what I have done, just a simple curve is there. In this case, this one is little bigger than the lower part. So here like this. This ear is similar to this ear, but the position of the ears are different. Here in this case, if you'll see, it will come along the nose, but in this case it is on the head. Okay. See, this is different. Similar to this, but this is different. See, here the ears are different, here it is different, and here also a little different. It depends on you what ear you want to place, but basically just you can use this one for the time being. If you are a beginner, then don't think more about the ears, because everything what comes in the expression is the eyes, eyebrows, mouth. These are the main primary thing which will create an expression. So keep in mind, while creating a character, these should be appealing, and later on you can make some changes to create beautiful expressions. So I'll give some other examples. See, this one I have placed as like this. Okay, and try to place the ears in different position as well. If you want to create a character, it's not like it should be here only. Try to place it here and see if it is giving you good character designing. But keep in mind, if your requirement is like it's a human, then it should not go here. Some highlights should be there to create your character little different than the other. It should be unique. It doesn't mean like it will be anywhere, but it should be appealing. So try to design a character what I have told you earlier. It's almost done. Remaining are the hairs and the shape of the face. So with the thing what I have told you till now, try to create your own character, and we are very close to expression videos. So keep practicing all these things what I have told you in my earlier videos, so that you will know what I am going to create in my videos. This is a very short video because years means it's not that much important for now, but while designing it may have some values, but for expression it's not that much. Yeah, in some cases it is there, I'll tell you that also, like in Bugs Bunny or some other character, if ears are like this and one rabbit is there, suppose, and he saw something danger or something, it will be erected like this, and while he is in normal condition then it will go down. So it's a very rare thing but important as well. So that also comes in expression though, but that is again different chapter where I'll show you the cartoon character, how to draw cartoon character on animals. Like you will pick some animal and you have to draw your design related to that animal, like rabbit, elephant. There the shape what I have told you, ears, nose will be different. That's why right now for human I am explaining all the parts. So don't go for animals right now, just concentrate on the human cartoons. So yeah, that's it for now, and I'll very soon upload a video on hairstyles. That will be little time taking though, but still I will upload that too. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.